You're gonna see a lot of Cinderella and princess decorations in this video. I just wanted to explain and apologize. It's all for my daughter's upcoming 5th birthday party, so hashtag mom life, sorry about that. But me and Cinderella, we have something really cool to share with you today. A very exciting diaper review. I cannot wait to share it, but first the intro. If you've been watching this channel for a little bit, a few weeks ago, we did an unboxing video. It was my first unboxing video. It was so exciting. I got to, get a package in the mail, rip it open, share it with you, kind of evaluate what was inside. It was super exciting. That was a few weeks ago for Bungies, and I did pronounce it wrong in the last video, so my apologies to Bungies. But Bungies Cloth Diapers, I got the August subscription box in the mail. Even more exciting, even greater is that today, after we've put it to the test, we put it on a toddler to see how it performed. Now we have the results to share with you. So let's get into the results and see how Bungies Cloth Diapers stack up. All right, so every cloth diaper, just to be fair, every single cloth diaper that Cloth Diapers for Beginners reviews, we put through a 5 kind of item checklist. So we evaluated on absorbency and effectiveness, adjustability and fit, prints and fabrics, warranty and support, and price and availability. So for each one of those 5 categories, we kind of give it a star rating, 1 star, half star, no stars. And then at the end, we kind of have a 5-star rating that we can share with everybody. All right, so absorbency and effectiveness. If you remember in the unboxing video, Bungies comes with 2 natural fiber inserts right out of the subscription box. It has a bamboo insert and a hemp insert. Oh my god, these were I was gonna say just as good as expected, but they actually did better. We put them on a toddler, 2-hour stretches, no problem. A 3-hour nap on a toddler, and toddlers pee more than smaller babies. Held up perfectly fine. The diaper wasn't even fully saturated. And I should say, the natural fiber inserts that come with the Bungies they're kind of a blend. They have a bit of cotton in there, so they also are faster absorbing than a lot of bamboo and hemp. If you've seen the kind of chart that I have on the website in a lot of places, hemp and bamboo are kind of further down on the chart. They're very, very absorbent, but sometimes they're a bit slower at absorbing. The Bungies are very fast absorbing. You are not going to need that top layer of something faster absorbing on these. They really do really well. For a pocket diaper to come with such good absorbency out of the gate, I am in love. I'll qualify that by saying if you read the written review to this video, which I'll put the link in the description, I kind of go off a bit on pocket diapers. I'm not a huge fan of pocket diapers in general, especially the cheaper pocket diapers, because they're not well constructed. They come with microfiber inserts, and microfiber inserts are just... they're just not good. Let's just put it that way. But, when you get a pocket diaper like Bungies that is well constructed and comes with fantastic inserts like this, mind changer. Like, so much better that I actually like pocket diapers again, and that's saying something. So, the absorbency is on a point. Effectiveness, I kind of touched on it just then, but the construction of the cover for the pocket diaper is just so well thought out. It's got that double gusset. If you remember in the unboxing, the double gusset is in the lining and not the PUL. It's fantastic for, holding the wetness in. It's a well constructed diaper. The PUL is great. Can't say enough about it there. So for absorbency and effectiveness, the Bungies Cloth Diaper gets a full star, hands down, can't even contest it. Let's talk about adjustability and fit. So it's got, all the good snaps that will help you get a good fit. We had no trouble getting a right fit right the first time. Just as I thought, because the double gusset isn't in the PUL, it didn't pose an issue like some diapers can with double gussets. It didn't cause, a too tight fit around a chunky leg baby, but you still have that double gusset inside to kind of keep everything snugger inside. Love it, love it, love it. It worked out very, very well. Love the fit. Adjustability is perfect. 1 full star there. Prints and fabrics. Guys, just go on the Bungies website and you'll see the adorable prints. They do gender neutral, seasonally inspired prints, and the prints are to die for. They truly are gender neutral, and they truly are adorable and seasonally inspired. This was the August print. The October print that they have out right now, October 2020, is a black and white cat print, perfect for Halloween. I'll talk about the subscription options. Well, I'll talk about the subscription options now. So the big news here is that, when I recorded the unboxing video, they only had one option for the subscription box. And it was you get one diaper and one wet bag every month for $24.99 is the current price. Prices change. If this is an old video, make sure you're checking. But that was the only option. Now there's option 2, where you can get 2 diapers, no wet bag. Both the diapers come with the 2 natural fiber inserts, so you get the 4 inserts. And one is the seasonally inspired diaper, and the other one is a coordinating diaper. So for 2020, you get the black cat print and an orange solid. Love it! It's so perfect. It's perfect for Halloween. If you're in Canada and you have Thanksgiving in October, you have your Thanksgiving diaper already set, you're good to go. I love, love, love. This girl, the owner of Bungies Cloth Diapers, she knows how to pick some prints. All right, and fabrics. Well, I've kind of touched on the natural fiber inserts being amazeballs, so I don't think I have to go there. The fabric choices there are perfect. The lining, actually, that's one interesting thing. The lining, the mom who did the review for me, she said that, she's used pocket diapers before. It's kind of a standard, synthetic lining, stay dry layer. Nothing special. But for some reason, the solids just came right off, like even easier than her other pocket diapers. So I don't know why that would happen. I'm not going to try and make any guesses. But I just thought that was super cool, and it just, spoke to the quality of the fabrics. The PUL, again, it's soft, but still, a heavy quality feel. So I just love every choice that they've made for this diaper, I have to say. I know I sound like I'm gushing a lot, but they really, really, really paid attention to the details, and, it just performed so well. So, prints and fabrics, full star there. Love, love, love. Support and warranty. Now this is where it kind of gets a little tricky with the subscription box, because in this kind of area I want to talk about the subscription box aspect of it. So the way it works is you sign up for a subscription, and as I explained before, you now have 2 options. Option 1 of the single diaper and wet bag every month for $24.99, and option 2 of the 2 cloth diapers every month for $29.99. The awesome thing that Bungies does, though, is you can switch between one subscription and the other like nothing. You can switch back and forth at will, no problem. You just log into your dashboard and everything's all there. Logging into your dashboard, you can also cancel your subscription at any time, no problem. You can pause your subscription if you are going away for a while or what have you. You can change your address. Everything is super, super easy. They don't make it difficult. I love, love, love that. Being able to cancel it at the drop of a hat, being able to change your subscription type. It's perfect. So I love that part of the whole business. Support and warranty, I can't say that there's any problems with that. Support, they've been very responsive. No problems there. Warranty is pretty standard. Love it that way. So full star there for the subscription model, support, and warranty. All right, last category, price and availability. So I've kind of been mentioning the price a little bit, the $24.99 and the $29.99. Again, they are so amazing. This is not an affiliate coupon, but they did give us a coupon just because they're awesome for 15% off for everyone watching and everyone reading the review. If you enter CDFB15 into the coupon code box, you get 15% off your first order, no matter what you order, whether it be a subscription or if you want to buy some previous prints. Thank you to Bungies for that one. I love being able to share that with you. So the price for a pocket diaper, $24.99 for the pocket diaper, the 2 inserts, and a wet bag, or $29.99 for 2 pocket diapers, 4 inserts, Plus you get 15% off. That is an amazing, amazing price for a natural fiber diaper. You won't find a whole lot of competition at that price point. When you talk about natural fiber pockets, you're talking about the premium brands, and you're talking probably double the price in most circumstances. You do get free shipping as well, which is huge. So just keep that in mind. Free shipping, you get 15% off coupon. The price is so good. Availability, you do have to order through the website. It's a subscription box, so that's the way it works, which is understandable. It is available in several countries, no problem that way. The one thing about availability that kind of, it stinks, but it makes sense, is that, you know, past prints, they're in limited quality, so if you want to buy a past print, you kind of have to get in there right away to kind of grab it before the limited quantity is done and you can't get it anymore. That's just, it comes along with this subscription box model. I understand it, so I'm not going to like dock them points for that. But, you know, if you see a print that you love, get in there quick. Or just start your subscription and then you won't miss it. So for price and availability, the price is so fantastic for natural fiber and there's no problems with ordering. I gave them a full star for that. So, drum roll, that is 5 out of 5 stars for Bungies Cloth Diapers. First cloth diaper company to get that from us. We put it to the test. We stand by it. It's fantastic. I will put a link again to the full review in the comment section. You can click on that and, you know, see everything that we kind of nitpicked about it. You'll also be able to see some pictures of it on our tester baby. So yeah, check that out. And also don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell for notifications if you like this video and you want more reviews and also more informational content. I have some more informational content coming up this week. Pretty soon I'll also be getting out the tool belt. Click subscribe to figure out what I mean by that. All right, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.